Hello guys and welcome to this live session. This live session we're going to talk about inequalities. Now, after doing this, let me show you another rule in inequalities. We talked about having two-sided inequality and how to solve it and the steps of solving and how to put it on a number line. And we talked about three-sided inequalities and how to solve them and how to put them on a number line. Now, sometimes questions come in the opposite way. Sometimes they give you inequalities on a number line and they will tell you to find or write the inequality again. Let me show you how to do this. For example, I'll write some inequalities here. Let's say like this. 4, 2, circle. We will start with simple ones like this, for example. Here, you notice that the circle is on top of the 3, and the arrow is pointing to the side that is bigger than 3. It means that this is the x, and it's bigger than 3. So you write it like this, x is bigger than 3, like this. X is bigger than 3. Now, after that, you take a look at the circle. The circle is shaded. It means I have to put an equal sign here. So x is bigger or equal to 3. And this is how you solve this, or how you find the inequality from a number line. Let's take another one. For example, like this. If the inequality is like that, for example, here we have a circle, an arrow, a circle and an arrow to the side, and here we have 0, -1, -2. Now we're going to do the same steps. We're going to take this number, which is -1, and the arrow is pointing to the side which is smaller than -1. It means we write x less than, very good, less than -1. And because the circle is an open circle, it means we don't shade it. It's not shaded. It means what? It means that the circle is not shaded. It means we don't put an equal sign on the inequality sign. And this is the way of writing inequalities from a number line. And these are simple ones. Let me show you the questions that give you a three-sided inequalities. Three-sided inequalities will come like this. You have an inequality, for example, 2 and 7 here, circle, circle, and connected. Maybe one of them is shaded. So they come like that. For example, 2 and 7 with 2 circles on top of them. So to answer this, first, we have to take the 2 down and the 7 down. And then the x is in the middle. As you see, this line represents the x. So we put x in the middle like this. Now, this circle is what? It's not shaded. It's an open circle. An open circle means there is no equal sign. And then the x is bigger than 2. So you write it like this. Or the 2 is smaller than the x. And there's no equal sign. So you don't put an equal sign because it's an open circle. For this one, the circle is shaded. And a shaded circle means what? It means there's an equal sign with the inequality sign. And the x, or this line, is smaller than the 7. It means, or less than 7, like this. And then you put an equal sign to represent the shading on the circle. And this is how you write an inequality from a number line.